Hey guys! Today we're going to talk about how to connect Excel to n8n to automate workflows and manage your data more efficiently. Using n8n with Excel Online can help you interact with your spreadsheets directly, making it easier to integrate Excel data into your automated workflows. To start, you need to use CData Connect AI Remote MCP, which allows n8n to communicate with Excel Online. First, log in to Connect AI and go to the Sources section. Here, click on Add Connection and choose Excel Online from the list of available data sources. You'll then need to enter the necessary authentication details to connect your Excel Online account securely. This is done using OAuth, which ensures that your credentials stay safe while allowing n8n to access your workbooks. Once authenticated, you can specify the workbook you want to use by providing its name or ID. If you're wanting to see all available workbooks, you can execute a query to the Workbooks view, which will list the connected spreadsheets. If you're working with a Sandbox account for testing, make sure to set the Use Sandbox option to True. Otherwise, leave it blank to connect to your production workbook. After configuring these details, click Create and Test to make sure the connection is working properly. Finally, navigate to the Permissions tab to update user-based permissions, ensuring that only authorized users can access or modify the data. Once this is set up, n8n can start interacting with your Excel Online data, letting you automate tasks, run queries, and streamline your workflows without manually opening spreadsheets. In short, connecting Excel to n8n with CData Connect AI allows you to bring the power of automation directly to your spreadsheets, saving time and making data management far easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more guides on using Excel and n8n together.